Yesterday, OnePlus announced two smartphones for its mid-range Nord lineup. It looks like the company has set aside its goals of launching flagship killers only and is targeting the mainstream market. Over the years, smartphone prices for OnePlus handsets have risen, and to make it more accessible for the general public, the company has decided to make its mark on the mid-range sector as well. We will be looking at the OnePlus Nord n100, which is more of an entry-level offering. Design and display. Straying from OnePlus handset's typical design, the OnePlus Nord n100 comes with a rectangular camera bump and a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. The smartphone is built around a 6.52-inch IPS LCD panel with a mere 720p resolution. The pixel density sits at 269 ppi, which is pretty unimpressive. We have seen OnePlus talk about how it wants to keep its smartphones premium. However, it looks like the company is changing its whole agenda to target a more extensive consumer base. Internals and storage. Internally, the modest handset is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 460 SoC topped with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of expandable onboard storage. The software front will be handled by Android 10 and OxygenOS 10.5. Cameras. The smartphone is equipped with a triple-sensor rear camera system with a 13MP primary sensor and two 2MP camera sensors. In the original OnePlus Nord, the macro and depth sensors were just space fillers. We believe it will be the same for the n100. For selfies, it is equipped with an 8MP shooter. Battery and pricing. The company has focused on providing a longer battery life. Hence, the smartphone packs a 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging. The phone will be launched in Europe and the US early next month for £200/180. Its availability in other markets hasn't been announced. Specifications. CPU, Octa-core, 4x1.8 GHz Kryo 240 and 4x 1.6 GHz Kryo 240, GPU, Adreno 610 chipset, Qualcomm SM4250 Snapdragon 460, 11 nanometers, OS, Android 10, OxygenOS 10.5 networks, 2G, 3G, 4G LTE display, LCD capacitive touch screen, 6.52 inches, 720 by 1600 pixels resolution. Memory. RAM, 4GB internal, 64GB camera, primary, 13MP plus 2MP plus 2MP secondary, 8MP connectivity, LTE, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C. Headphone jack. Fingerprint scanner, yes, rear-mounted, battery, 5000 mAh, 18 watts fast charging. Price, £200/180.